reliability, and sophisticated design. This is InoSmart, a smart system for unlocking doors that grows with you. Human fingerprints are constantly changing, but our engineers have developed the most advanced fingerprint sensor that detects and stores fingerprint changes at each entry. So cold, heat, or damage to the finger are no longer a problem. 360 degrees fingerprint scanning in less than a second. You can also unlock the door using a code system or smartphone. And for each method, you have 100 different entries. With the InoSmart system, the traditional keys have become a thing of the past. Your finger is your new key. You can control the entire system using the InoSmart application. You can use it to add fingerprints, put a time limit on access using schedules, monitor the entry history. You can even detect at unauthorized entry attempts. If you install it on the handle, you can control the door lighting. The system has a built-in wireless bell you can install anywhere at home. Why do we call it a door unlocking system rather than a door locking system? Because the door is always automatically locked. You just unlock it. You no longer need to worry. Your home is safe. You are safe. Welcome home.